Hey guys, welcome back to Duke Nukem Forever. Today we're going to be continuing on. We got the mighty foot. Let's jump right into it. There we go.
Okay, Duke. The initial LZ is too hot for a drop. Pig cops are everywhere, and there's a battle lord on the dam shooting down anything in its line of fire. We're going to get you as close as we can, then you'll have to go in by truck. Get to the top of the dam and clear it so the rest of us can move in.
Sounds easy enough. Does this man know who he's talking to?
Who wants white meat, huh? Who wants it?
Kinda hard to actually hit them before they start firing at me, considering this is as far as I can go. But so far, pretty easy.
Proceeding to secondary drop site.
Cut it close, why don't you?
There's too many down there for us.
Oh, jeez. Hello.
We got hostages on the tower. Take them out, Duke. Get some.
I can't look that far. No. There we go.
I am the Duke. I am game number one.
Just drop me in. Oh.
Pull trigger, make bacon.
Pull trigger, make bacon.
I done got me 157 pigs killed.
Come on, drop us in. Let's go. What do we more? Damn.
Fire on that dropship.
There we go.
Mechanically separated pork.
Is that an in? Yeah, it is. Just gonna keep on circling real slow and like. Come on, let's go. There we go. Now drop us in.
LZ is clear. Messy
Finally.
is clear. Proceeding to the drop.
Let's go. It's about the slowest damn ship. And there's the truck.
All right, let's move out.
A single-seater truck.
Fasten your seatbelts. It's gonna
Really?
be a bumpy
Can't even
ride.
climb over a car?
That better not leave a scratch.
Truck looks pretty cool. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Four-wheel turn, and now that's... yeah, that's gonna topple me. No trespassing. Too bad. The Mighty Foot Part 2. Oh, that was an easy Part 1. Does this have guns or... no, ooh, we have boost. That's nice. Oh no. Ooh. That hurt the ego a little bit.
Just call me Frankenstein.
Alright.
Frickin' jaywalkers.
And we toppled. Come on. That one hurt. Oh, almost landed on him. Nope. Well, bye. Four-wheel steering is a bit much. Come on, go, go, go. We're hurting the ego here. And jump.
Yeehaw!
That's what I'm talking about. Oh, hello. Take it. Oh, now it lets me destroy cars. That one before was just indestructible.
Pancaked.
What about this one? Okay. Really taking an ego beating. There we go. Oh, wow. What a coincidence. Out of gas.
Damn. Desert road, no gas, and no chicks.
That really does suck. We're out of about just everything. Hello. Really? That was like on target. Come on. Oh, that's gonna hurt. More? Yeah, let's take the Ripper for a second. Oh, you're jumping over, huh? Not for long, you aren't.
Good, bad, I'm the guy with the gun.
Damn right. Oh, we go through right there. Okay. I'll take the shotgun mag. Oh, or don't let me through. That's cool too. Oh shit. Where are you going, bud?
Suck it down.
Oh, that's gonna hurt. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? There you are. You took that. Really? Now that's some good armor. I need me some of that. What's in here? Let's see. Any way in? Hello? I am supposed to get in there. From up top. Okay. Break it! Or not. There we go. Where'd your head go, bud? Alright. There we go. Now let me guess. It's a fight all the way back. No? let's just fill this up real quick. Definitely nothing to worry about. Let's go. This will be interesting. There we go. That was close. Let me go over, damn it. This, okay. Now you're really just testing. I'm not using four-wheel. Oh, we're going nowhere. Ghost Town. Oh. It's an interesting transition. You can slap our wall boobs. That's all I saw from that. Interesting. I am a professional driver. I know exactly what I'm doing. Yes. Alright. I'm going to assume we go up and not down. Oh, yeah, we are supposed to go up. But I can just break the truck if I go down. Alright. Come on. Now punch it. Yeah. That better be enough. Really? I'm slightly confused. I definitely hit that right. There's not much way I could be going any faster. Alright, let's go. What the hell? Come on, let's go. Well, I'll come back when I actually get across. Oh, got it. Jeez. I barely made that one. Oh, that was effective. Danger. So I'm not supposed to go that way. I'm going this way? This isn't really... Okay, I see. Right here. That's a very small jump for such a high place to get up to. But I guess it works. Much better than the last ramp did. Well, not again. Here we go again, guys. Oh, don't fuck this up. Nope, I'm fucking up. Oh, I got it. That definitely didn't take like 20 minutes. Way longer than it really had to. And I feel like I just fucked that up for myself. Yep. Let's go. There we go. Yeah, I see the bridge is out. We can make it. And of course, break down again. Are we actually broken down or out of gas? Oh, we're out of gas. Who would have thought? Alright. Little old western town. Bank of Blum. What was that?
I'm
Oh,
your
hello.
Huckleberry.
Let's just, there we go. Oh, what? Where's that come from? Not even gonna. Didn't even give him a chance. There we go. I don't know exactly what we're hoping for, because I don't think there's going to be a gas station. Oh, he's got a shotgun. There we go.
Oh yeah, it's ass-kicking time.
There's not a whole lot around, is there? Ooh. Now that's some nice stuff. Ooh, that wasn't so nice for him though. The heck? Interesting. There you are.
I wonder how many pork chops I can make out of you.
Plenty. There we go. Yeah, come down, boy. Come
Dance, motherfucker. Dance.
Where'd you go? Where the fuck you go? That's only slightly creepy. Jeez. What's with all the grenades, guys? Like, slow your roll a little bit.
My balls, your face.
This is... There he is. I gotta check really quick. Pipe bomb is on 3. Alright. How'd that feel, bud? Or that
It's
one?
a hell of a thing, killing a pig.
Took his legs right off. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I thought he killed himself. Okay. Alright. Okay. We're not gonna play that game. Come on. Let's just... Yeah, come on. Come on, big boy. Jeez. No, I'm out of pipe bombs, damn it. Yeah. Took him down. Yeah, I'll take that, actually. So ugly. Alright, I'm gonna assume ladder. Yep, let's go. What do we got here? Guessing there. But what's the point? Oh, there's a ladder. What, you got gas all the way up here? Is that what you're telling me? Ooh, the railgun. Thank you. Yeah, because I don't think I'm supposed to go up there. And that's for me to... Huh? Am I supposed to go up? Okay. No? Definitely not. Again, you're not really... But why? Oh, I see. Okay. Can you stop with the grunting? Like, I get it. Can't go any further. Come on. Why don't I take... Really? You're not gonna let me, like, take all three? Because that definitely wouldn't be a smart idea to take all three. Oh, great. How did y'all get here so quick?
I'm from Las Vegas, and I say kill 'em all.
Okay, stop with the damn shooting. You useless. Just fill up the truck and be done with it. Come on, let's go. Oh! Big boy's in the way. Just break the damn doors. Or not. Cool. We can just flip. There we go. Let's try that again. No, don't flip. Listen, this thing is not that top heavy. Alright? Should not be flipping that easily. Is that the end of the level? Yes, it is. Highway battle. I wonder how long I keep the truck for. I mean, the truck is kind of fun. It's just slightly annoying. I don't know what I just hit. But go me. We're going this way. What have we got over here? No direct path. But there's enemies. Got them. I don't think I want to go that way. Imagine if I could have just gotten up there. Oh, damn it. Keep flipping. Keep flipping. No, I gotta... Oh, really? Really? Alright. There we go. Okay. Oh, God. There we go. And punch it. There we go. Let's keep going. Oh, this one's active. Let's just get right past you. This one's swerving. You can't cut me off. Too good for you. You got anything else to throw at me? Besides all these flying ships that aren't doing shit. $70 miles an hour. Alright. I can definitely get this thing up to that speed. Well then. Oh, come on. We ain't got time to flip her, really. Let's do the 8-point turn. Hello, random enemy. Just run you over real quick. Oh, don't hit the bridge. Oh, I hit the bridge. Rocks. Rocks. Oh, jeez. I'd rather the rocks not hit me. Be great. Alright! And out of gas again. Told you grab the other tanks, but no. We can't do that. Highway Battle Part 2. Oh, you can slap our wall boobs, since most girls something. Right, out of gas. Come on, let me get out. There we go. Yet again, let's go find some gas.
It's all in the reflexes. Squeal, piggy, squeal.
Hit me, hit me. You can't, you can't.
Too easy.
Oh, I missed. Got him. Who's shooting? Who's shooting? There you go. Come on, come on, come on. Where y'all at? Oh, on the way. Come on. Where y'all at? Is that all you got? Well, it didn't seem like very much of a challenge. So clearly the truck has to make that. Oh, hello. Get him!
Squeal harder next time.
Yeah. You shouldn't have made so much noise. You might have actually been able to get me. How do you like shotgun to the face, bud?
Looks like Lady Luck just gave you the finger.
Oh, shit. Yeah, there we go.
I'd buy this for $1.
2 pipe bombs for $1? Yeah. Duh. Who wouldn't buy that? That took his head right off. Come on, where are they at? Where are they at? Nowhere? Fine. Let's go. Aww. This is just tearing them
Pork
up.
chop sandwiches. If I promised to kill you last, I lied.
Oh god. What was that? That gave me no warning at all. If you died from falling off a high place, it was probably your own fault. Really now. Could have fooled me.
Oh yeah, there's more where that came from.
Oh jeez. I'll take the RPG. Yeah, that sounds good. Not while it's shooting, though. Damn. I'll take ammo, please. Thank you. Oh yeah, she tearing me up a little bit. Oh yeah, got it. Yeah. That's what you get. This one looks like it's ready to be executed, but he's just a little short. Oh, that's hilarious. He's just keeping himself up. He's fine. Oh, I had more stuff to blow up. What a shame.
A crowbar would come in handy right about now.
Yeah, we don't need one. Out of gas. Well, thanks for reminding me? Okay.
Convenient.
Very. Here we go. I see what we're doing. If I can just get inside. No, I don't want to grab. What do we... That... What? I'm confused now. Do I have to take these out? What? This was just glowing. Oh, okay. I see. There we go. Okay, I see. Yeah. I don't know what else I expected. Just slam me into the ground.
Time to bring the pain.
Why not grab the rest?
You've been aborted.
Alright. You got anything else for me? I guess so. Not much. Whoa. That just turned me around so much. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. I may not be a smart man, but when I see a cart on a track, it tells me we're supposed to use it. Whee! It would not do that, but I can't do anything. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that's so many jumps. Look out. Oh. Took his legs right out from under him. Hi, bud. I don't know why you guys are up here. Doesn't seem like a very smart idea. Neither was that, but... Are you...
I don't dig on swine.
Were you shooting at each other, or are you trying to destroy my truck? I'm confused. Come on, let's go. We've spent way too much time here now. Oh, I see. Let's go. There we go. Keep going. Yeah. Let's go. Dam top. Something tells me we're not keeping the truck for too much longer. But let's go. Oh no. There we go. We don't need the bridge. Oh. There we go. Everything's under control. Oh, hello. Let's just bypass all of that. I like how they're just getting launched.
Yeehaw, motherfucker.
Oh boy. Oh, flip all the way. There we go. Let's go. Something was squealing. And it wasn't the pigs. Oh, it might be a siren? Oh yes. Oh yes. Yeah. Oh. Really? Really? Now we lose the truck. Yep, there it is. We lost the truck.
Oh, and it got such good gas mileage.
Hey, you're funny.
Let me go, Shepard. I have to go inside and find the Emperor. Someone has to do the right thing.
Oh. Why are you guys always dead? Why can't you be useful?
You! Damn it, Duke! Damn you!
Blame
I
me
had
for
the
all your
breathing out of
problems.
my damn hand, and you blew it! All this death, all of this is your fault! You did this! You! Now I've got to go find him and try to repair the negotiations you ruined! I told you not to get involved!
Mr. President,
You're
we
also
need to
speaking
leave
out your
now.
ass. Yeah,
This
get on
isn't
your ship.
over, Duke.
Get on your damn ship. Okay, you are creepy as shit. All of them are dead. They're really useful.
What the fuck took you so long? But I know it was some sexy thing with 3 titties. Yeah.
I mean, you're not wrong.
Tango spotted! Reloading!
Can you not? Again, he did. Oh, and I just took that rocket to the face. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Oh, there's some behind me. Didn't even realize. Don't shoot rockets at me. It's not nice. Oh, we got big boy. I deserved that one. Dismember enemies with the shotgun for business and pleasure. Can't go wrong with that.
I'd ask you what the fuck took you so long, but I
Yeah,
know
yeah,
it was
yeah.
some sexy thing with 3 titties. Yeah.
Where the... Oh! How did you spawn behind me? That's some bullshit. Oh, hey, an RPG. Oh god. Can you guys leave me alone for 2 seconds? I would really like to heal. Thank you. No. Oh my... These teammates are pissing me off. They're not very useful.
I'd ask you what the fuck took you so long, but I know it was some sexy thing with
I'd ask
3
you to
titties.
be more useful.
Yeah.
God damn. About as dumb as a sack of bricks.
Who wants white meat, huh? Who wants it? Squeal, piggy, squeal.
Y'all need to stop shooting me. Alright? Come on. Come on. There you are. I know there's a... Yep, he's right there. There we go. Take some ammo real quick. What the fuck? Oh. No. Hey, buddy. 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 We can talk about this.
Hail to the king, baby.
Buddy, listen. I don't seem to be doing a whole lot.
Who's next?
Oh, Battlelord. Does that do anything? No? No. Oh, he's only going to take damage from RPGs, and I remember now. I can crouch. And I found a spot that he can't touch me. Yes, yes, walk into all of them that hurt. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. We just want ammo. Okay, 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 okay. Buddy, 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 buddy. Buddy. We can talk.
Killing you is as
We
easy
can
as
talk.
breathing.
Yeah, that's right.
He's on his knees. Time to beast fuck him.
When you get to hell,
Time to
tell
what,
him
fuck him?
Duke sent you.
Give me that horn. I know somewhere I can shove it. There we go. Oh, you're not dead yet. Oh, but you're a lot more susceptible now. Oh, that really hurt. Oh, that felt so pleasant. Just die.
Let's make
Come on. I can shove the other one somewhere too. Let's go. Yeah. Is that enough for you? There we go. Yeah. That's what I thought.
Get off my dam.
Huh. Alright. Give me my railgun back and let's just grab some ammo, shall we? And as for you... There we go. Just so I don't step on it. Yeah. Nothing else? Okay.
Holy fuck, Duke! This is just like that one time in Beirut. You wouldn't believe the chubby I got. I got orders to hold this fucking shit together up here, but Graves wants you at the base of the dam. Drop the fucking GR-44 rope for you to rappel down. Just don't get rope burn this time. None of those massage specialists around right now, huh? Ah, jerk it off!
This guy is so full of energy. That's probably what keeps him alive. Oh. Yeah, because that would definitely work that way. Definitely with a regular rope. What the fuck are you? Oh.
General Graves is down in the generator room, Duke. You'll have to pass through the tunnels and into the power station to get there, but you'll make it.
But you'll make it.
Groovy.
Will I make it?
You'll find General Graves down in the
I
generator
heard
room.
you.
If you can figure out a way to get there.
I'm going. Oh, that's the end of the level. Alright, well, I'm gonna cut it there. Ran around in the truck for a while. Really hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below if you want to see more content in the future. Later, guys.